Hello guys, welcome back at Rock Technical. Today I have brought some important MCQ based on AutoCAD, PLC and SCADA. Let's start. The switching frequency of a diode depends on option 1 saturation current, option 2 reverse recovery time, 3 leakage current, 4 diode current. Correct answer is reverse recovery time, option 2. Next one. The ratio of the total number of lumens reaching the working plane to the total number of lumens emitting from source is known as option 1 waste light factor, option 2 absorption factor, 3 coefficient of utilization, 4 coefficient of illumination. Correct answer is coefficient of utilization, option 3. Next one. Which one of the following is not an instruction set in 8085 microprocessor? Option 1 data transfer instruction, 2 arithmetic instruction, 3 implicit instruction, 4 branching instruction. Correct answer is implicit instruction, option 3. Next one. Which of the following equipment for regulating the voltage in distribution feeder will be most economical? Option 1 static condenser, 2 synchronous condenser, 3 tap changing transformer, 4th booster transformer. Correct answer is booster transformer, option 4. Next one. Which of the following option for the role of a generator in a power system is correct? Option 1 it convert mechanical energy into nuclear energy, 2 it convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, it convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, it converts mechanical energy into thermal energy. Correct answer is it convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, option 3. Next one. Which among the following cable are generally suited for the voltage up to 11 kV? Option 1 belted cables, 2 screened cables, 3 pressure cables, 4 none of these. Correct answer is belted cables, option 1. Next one. Which of them is peak load station? Option 1 small capacity thermal plants, 2 diesel station, 3 run-off river plant, 4 all of them. Correct answer is diesel station, option 2. Next one. In an attraction type moving iron instrument, the damping torque is usually provided by option 1 air friction damping, option 2 eddy current damping, 3 flood friction damping, 4 capacitive damping. Correct answer is air friction damping, option 1. Next one. An UJT has dash PN junction. Option 1 1, option 2 2, 3 3, 4 none. Correct answer is 1. Option 1 PN junction. Correct answer. Next one. NMI stands for option 1 non-mask interface, 2 non-maskable interrupt, 3 non-mask interaction, 4 none of these. Correct answer is non-mask interrupt, option 2. Next one. Speed control by Ward-Leonard method gives uniform speed variation. Option 1 in one direction, 2 in both direction, 3 below normal speed only, above normal speed only. Correct answer is in both direction, option 2. Next one. Which of the following meters does not exhibit a square law response? Option 1 moving coil, 2 moving iron, 3 electrodynamometer, 4 hot wire instrument. Correct answer is moving coil, option 1. Next one. What is the main source of distortion in a push-pull amplifier? Option 1 fundamental component, 2 second harmonic, 3 third harmonic, 4 all even harmonic. Correct answer is third harmonic, option 3. Next one. Incandescent lamp is option 1 tube light, 2 bulb, 3 sodium lamp, 4 none of these. Correct answer is bulb, option 2. Next one. A 3-phase synchronous motor has been provided with damper winding. It can be started as a option 1 single phase synchronous motor, option 2 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor, 3 1-phase induction motor, 4 3-phase alternator. Correct answer is 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor, option 3. Next one. Cold solder joint refers to option 1 SMD soldering, option 2 through hole soldering, 3 soldering defect, 4 crimping. Correct answer is soldering defect, option 3. Next one. Which of the following is an incorrect substation type based on application? Option 1 primary grid substation, option 2 mobile substation, option 3 SF6 gas insulated substation, option 4 step up substation. Correct answer is SF6 gas insulated substation, option 3. Next one. Which of the following equipment for regulating the voltage in distribution feeder will be most economical? Option 1 static condenser, 2 synchronous condenser, 3 temp changing transformer, 4 booster transformer. Correct answer is booster transformer, option 4. Next one. According to BIS, maximum leakage current allowed in any installation is dash. Option 1 1 by 5000 of full load current, 2 1 by 3000 of full load current, 3 1 by 100 of full load current, 4 1 by 2000 of full load current. Correct answer is 1 by 5000 of full load current, option 1. Next one. 4 types of power plant have been given. Out of these, 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the odd one. Option 1 thermal power plant, 2 nuclear power plant, 3 solar power plant, 4 hydroelectric power plant. Correct answer is hydroelectric power plant, option 4. Next one. The short circuit current rating of a 16 ampere type MCB is approximately option 1 16 ampere, 2 10 kilo ampere, 3 100 kilo ampere, 4 times the rating. Correct answer is 10 kilo ampere, option 2. Next one. In what form is solar energy is radiated from the sun? Option 1 ultraviolet radiation, 2 infrared radiation, 3 electromagnetic wave, 4 transverse wave. Correct answer is electromagnetic wave, option 3. Next one. Which one of the following conductor is used in bulb? Option 1 tungsten, 2 carbon, 3 copper, 4 nichrome. Correct answer is tungsten, option number 1. Next one. Which of the following is not an application of shunt motor? Option 1 electric locomotive, option 2 centrifugal pump, option 3 for driving constant speed line shafting length, option 4 machine tools. Correct answer is electric locomotive. Next, option 1. Next one. Through which source is maximum electricity generated in the world? Option 1 water, 2 nuclear power, 3 coal, 4 solar power. Correct answer is coal, option 3. In AutoCAD, symbol indicates 2. Option 1 mirror, 2 rotate, 3 trim, 4 copy. Correct answer is rotate, option 2. Next one. In AutoCAD, array command is used to option 1 draw a circle, 2 make multiple copies of an object in rectangular or circular pattern, 3 break line by defining 2 point, 4 draw concentric circle. Correct answer is to make multiple copy of an object in rectangular or circular pattern. Option 2 is correct answer. Next one. Which one of the following can be used in the lightning used for power interruption? Option 1 SCS, 2 SCR, 3 track, 4 DAC. Correct answer is SCR, option 2. Next one. The time period taken by a fuse to interrupt the circuit in the event of a fault is known as option 1 current rating, option 2 fusing current, option 3 cutoff factor, option 4 fusing factor. Correct answer is cutoff factor, option 3. Next one. In higher voltage transmission lines beyond 33 kV, a dash is used to make the coasting economical. Option 1 strain insulator, option 2 pin insulator, option 3 suspension insulator, option 4 stay insulator. Correct answer is suspension insulator, option 3. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and